Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust text size in Google Slides app. So if you don't have a Google Slides on your Android or iPhone, you can download it first. But if you don't want to download it, you can just open your Google Chrome and try to search Slides on app. This one. This is the Google Apps. You can try to open Google Slides from Google Chrome and open your drive, and here you can open a one of your slides. For example, this one. For practice, I use a untitled presentation. Here you can adjust text size by tab or by, and you can edit it. But if you cannot edit on your Google Drive, it means your Android must have a Google app to install. So let's start by tap one of your tags that you want to upsize. For example, this one, the describe tags. You can block this describe tags here, and you can tap this A icon at the top of your screen, and this is the size. So you can try to make it small, or you can upsize here, and also you can change the color, the highlight color, and format. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.